It's as if they're standing at the foot of a mountain, and they have this abstract concept called impact that they want to have in the world.
Hi guys, welcome back to The Mountain Maths. Really hope that your exams are going well so far. Right, so in this video we're going to look at substitution in algebra. By the end of the video you're going to recall that a letter side by side with a number requires us to take the product of the two, and then we're going to identify where to substitute values into their respective variables, and then finally apply the principles of substitution to a worded exam question. Right, so in algebra, substitution just simply means replacing a letter with a number. Now just once again, remember that a letter next to the number means we're multiplying them together. So 3a would mean 3 multiplied by a. So in this first example, if a is 3, we're going to find the value of y. So 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 15. And 15 plus 4 would give us a final answer of y equals 19. Let's try that again, this time with the minus number, no biggie. Right, so I'm going to place minus 1 where the n is. 5 multiplied by minus 1, minus 5, and plus the 4, we know y equals minus 1. Right, so here are 3 for you to try. Pause the video now. Alright, so example 1, you should have found y was equal to minus 5 if b equals 3. When a equals minus 2, y equals minus 6. And then finally, we have to square the 5, which is 25, then add the 7, and we find y equals 32. Now, that's the principle of substitution. So now we're going to see quite a strange example, but it's going to be the same method. Right, here we're going to calculate the energy required to send Greg's head from 25 degrees to 35 degrees. The specific heat capacity of Greg's head is 4,150. Your physicists will realise that's pretty close to water, explaining what's really going on in Greg's head there. And finally, the mass of Greg's head is 390 kilograms. Not saying anything there. Right, so in this example then, M, the mass, 390, slots in to the right where you can see here. Next, C, the specific heat capacity, is 4,150. Let's drop that into the equation. And then finally, the temperature change. We went from 25 degrees to 35. That's a temperature change of 10 degrees. We're going to slot that into the equation next to it. And now all we have here is 390 times by 4,150 multiplied by 10. Timesing those numbers together gives us the energy. Now that is all that is required, and that's as hard as it can get. So thanks for bearing with us. Now we're going to look at an exam style question. They get quite wordy in these, but it's nothing to be alarmed by. So here we've got Kelly, and she's made some form of prediction. All we need to do essentially is substitute the numbers it gives us into this, and that's for 2 marks. Okay. Now, Greg, you can't flirt with Kelly. That's very silly. Well, I know she won't speak to me. Can you just go away? We're doing a video here. Cheers, Greg. Goodbye. All right, thanks, guys. Hope you get this exam question right. Goodbye.
It's as if they're standing at the foot of a mountain, and they have this abstract concept called impact that they want to have in the world, which is the summit. What they don't see is the mountain.